Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit your TikTok profile. So go to your profile page by pressing the profile button, and now you're just going to press edit profile. Here you can change your profile picture, edit your name, username, bio, website, email, category, and even your socials. To add a profile picture, you're just going to press change photo and press either take photo or upload photo. So I'm just going to press upload photo. Then for instance, I want to change it to this picture. I'm just going to select on the picture right here and press save. Here you can also change your name by pressing on it and just editing it and press save. And you can just adjust it to like whatever you want. For instance, your bio, website, you're just going to click on it, click on like add a text and then press save. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.